Negative question. Do you not do? Did you not do? Will you not do? Are you not? Are you not doing? Were you not? Were you not doing? Will you not be? Will you not be doing? Do you not have? Have you not done? Did you not have? Had you not done? Will you not have? Will you not have done? Have you not been? Have you not been doing? Had you not been? Had you not been doing? Will you not have been? Will you not have been doing? Must you not do? Must you not be? Must you not be doing? Must you not have? Must you not have done? Must you not have been? Must you not have been doing? Can you not do? Can you not be? Can you not be doing? Could you not have? Could you not have done? Could you not have been? Could you not have been doing? May you not do? May you not be? May you not be doing? May you not have? May you not have done? May you not have been? May you not have been doing? Are you not called? Were you not called? Will you not be called? Are you not being called? Were you not being called? Have you not been called? Had you not been called? Will you not have been called? Must you not be called? Must you not have been called? Can you not be called? Could you not have been called? May you not be called? May you not have been called?